In this DIY, we're pairing timeless farmhouse styling with some festive charm to create this rustic-inspired snowman. For this DIY, you'll need 3 different sized grapevine wreaths, black cable ties, our battery-powered warm white wire lights, festive foliage, tartan cloth, a pair of scissors, and a hot glue gun. Before you begin, don't forget to test your lights. Secure the small wreath to the medium with cable ties. And the medium to the large to create the traditional snowman shape. Secure the battery pack to the back of the small and medium wreath with the hot glue gun. Once secure, wrap the lights around the wreaths, working your way down until all 3 are surrounded in light. Don't forget to secure the end of the wire light into place with the hot glue gun. For the scarf, wrap the tartan cloth around the neck of the snowman, being sure to cover the battery box. Lap the ends of the scarf over one another and secure into place with hot glue. Finish off the look with decorative Christmas foliage and hang pride of place onto a door or wall.